Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Williamsburg local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire long-distance movers, with us, you get the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Getting the right long-distance movers makes a pretty big difference. Our team of movers will help you relocate faster and easier. Whether you're ready to move to a new state or all the way across the country, we can help you. Even a local move is a lot of work. Hiring a Kentucky moving company often makes sense when you need to move nearby. Professional movers can make sure your things are protected and your move takes up far less time. 3 Movers will save you time and energy when you move locally. We know how to make your move happen quickly and efficiently. A move that might take you 4 days to complete, we get done in a matter of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Williamsburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.